Go Bills, yeah, go Bills. Get out of here. Yeah, go Bills. I wish this came on. Feel me, said?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sometimes the beginning is not going to be right. Ooh.
Okay, that's called lazy right there.
Probably.
Oh, it is. I'm not even holding it.
This is why it's cool to have the cover thingy.
Yeah. Well, you should see me when I first came up here, or came out here. I was sitting on the table with it right up against the window.
It's kind of cool how you had the chairs and the table to sit at.
Yeah, it is. Pretty cool.
Oh, did you see that?
Yes.
Oh my god. And the the sky just goes pitch black and then
Yeah.
actually kind of cool. Only the thunder kind of scares me, and then depending on how close the lightning strikes are. Shit, it's supposed to get worse.
At 1 o'clock.
Should I go and plug my phone and then turn it off? But Kyle, my friend Kyle, the guy I was talking to on the phone, told me that even though your phone's plugged in, it's turned on, it goes so far into your cord that it stops right before it can do anything to your phone.
That's not true.
So I should
It
go and
can
plug
fry
it.
the crap out of your phone.
So should I just go and plug it real quick?
It's up to you.
I'm gonna do that because I will be right back. That's what he told me, but I'll be right back.
How do I have updates? Oh, stupid. Yeah. You're too bright. Get out of here. Whoa.
That one was a good one.
Well, it's not bright enough. It's not popping up on my iPad.
You're really sitting on the table. What are you doing?
Mm-hmm. Supposed to concentrate on that one point. Wow.
Oh!
Yeah, concentrate over there.
Ooh, it's gonna get cold out here.
I have the ceiling fan on.
But it's not cold, it's just, I just have a cold, you know, shiver type thing. One of those cold streak type, what do you call it?
Chill.
Yeah, cold chill, yeah.
There
I think
you
we should
go.
let Lucky in.
Probably be wise idea.
She's terribly afraid of these things, and can I let her out here with us?
No, if she's terribly afraid of them, being out in a windowed room would not be a bright idea.
Yeah, no, but I'll let her in. If she's not turned out.
Intelligence of that girl is not very high. Done yet? It's not even plugged in. Stupid laptop. Whoa!
Is that like gonna affect it?
Yeah, go turn it off. What are you doing?
So I'm not answering.
Lucky's not even. Don't let her in the living room. She's wet.
Get up, you lazy butt.
Come on. You're not allowed in here. Come on. Come on. Not allowed in the living room.
Come on. Don't choke her though.
Get back out there. I know you're afraid about me. But you're not allowed out here, okay? So stay in there. Batman.
Installing update.
Yeah, it's ridiculous. There's a chair right there.
Yeah, because I had my feet up in it when you were up there.
I got my phone right.
Oh, that was cool. I wonder if we missed any like those keys.
No messages. Cool. I
Yeah,
really don't
his
see.
name was Sean Spencer.
Cool, I don't really care.
No, I'm talking about. It's like. So you were right and I was right.
I know. Ooh, that was bright.
Five.
Did you get out of here, laptop? You're too bright. Oh, that was bright. Too bad it's not showing up on here.
Not if you have the door open, maybe.
Maybe.
But I wouldn't open it.
Yeah, I wouldn't open it either. I ain't that dumb.
We're bad that we're sitting in a room full of glass windows.
No, we're fine. We're in the building.
I know, but isn't it if
No, we're fine. We're in the
lightning
building.
strikes the glass, then you won't get
It'll shatter the glass, yeah. So that might suck, but.
it. I would jump in that box. Just hide in the box. Is that from your futon?
Yeah, that's for my futon. The box is huge.
I know.
I mean, the futon's not small, but geez, the box is huge.
Was the futon smaller than the box that when you opened
Well,
it?
yeah, the futon has to fit in the box. I think it'll be bigger than the box.
Well, I mean, was it tight squeezed or was it actually
It was fairly squeezed.
fairly means unsteady or
Pretty much. Pretty much.
Are you standing inside the tub?
Yes, I am standing inside. Oh, Jesus, the tub is moving.
Actually, I think it might be cardboard.
No, the tub is not even on the ground. I was putting all my weight in it,
Oh.
and it was moving. Whoa. I'm thinking, since I don't have the window glare anymore, I might get better.
Probably holy box, dude. Dude, I could fit in this box.
Shh. No, you couldn't. You're too big. Yeah.
Maybe width-wise, but not length-wise.
Width
Yeah.
and depth.
Huh?
Width and depth.
What do you mean by that?
Depth means deep.
I don't know, but length, no. Definitely not length.
Oh, it's a long box. My thing is like 7 feet long.
Yeah,
No, it's 6 feet. A little bit over 6 feet.
So there might just
So-
fit in it.
So you might be
Ryan Owens is like...
height-wise, maybe. Not any other-wise. You're a big girl.
Obviously not, right?
Whoa, that was nice lightning. Too bad it didn't show up on here.
Sometimes the good
Pretty.
ones don't show up when you want them to.
I think I'm on the screen.
Makes sense.
So we got nothing to drink but water.
Huh?
So we got nothing to drink but water.
Yeah.